everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome as well. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, I am going to be talking about my absolute favorite laundry products. Yes, laundry products. I happen to really enjoy doing laundry, and ever since I saw a commercial for these products, I had to pick them all up. So if you want to just find out what those products are, just keep on watching, although you can probably tell by the title and the thumbnail. But if you enjoyed this video so far, it would be fabulous if you'd hit that like button down below and subscribe too, so that way you never miss when I upload. All right, everybody, let's get started. So the first product I'm going to show you is the Downy Infusions Calm Fabric Conditioner. This smells so good. The entire Calm line smells so good, and it is the lavender and vanilla bean scent. Oh my goodness, the scent just is so, it is calming. Literally, when you smell it, you're just like, So this was $9.99 on sale, but wherever you buy it, and I just sounded like a sheep. Bah. Next, we have the Downy Beads. I love Downy Beads. I love Downy Beads of all scents, and I know this is the largest size. They also have the smaller one, but I had to pick the large one up. And last, but certainly not least, I have the dryer sheets. This was $5.99, and you get 105 sheets. But like I said before, the price does vary depending on where you buy them. So all in all, I have the dryer sheets, the Downy Beads, and the fabric conditioner. So I love all of these products, and I'm definitely going to keep buying the Calm line. And let me know in the comments below if you guys have tried this brand out, and what you guys think, and what you guys think of the scent. I absolutely love this line, as I've said multiple times, and there's nothing negative that I have to say. The scent lasts when you put it in the washer, and when you put the dryer sheets in the dryer, and when your clothes come out smelling fresh and clean. It smells like Downy Calm vanilla bean and lavender. So that is my little review. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, hit that like button down below and subscribe too, so that way you never miss when I upload for more random videos. Thank you guys again so much for your support on my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye!